Hello children, good morning. Welcome to English session. Anna. So in the previous class we learnt already Betty at the party. Betty at the party. That lesson completed. Now we are entering the next lesson, that is the whispering poems. The whispering poems. What does the meaning of whispering means? Speak very slowly, very quietly. నెమ్మది గుసగుసలు అంటాం చూడండి. Yes. Spoke very quietly. Spoke very quietly. Okay. Yes, spoke very quietly. Let's see the lesson. Let us read the story about a young girl called Mori. Yes, here story about a young girl and her name is, the girl name is Mori. Yes, let's read. Mori was a little girl with big brown eyes. She lived with her parents in a beautiful coconut grove next to a small blue lake. Every morning she balanced a big empty basket on her head as she walked down to the lake. Her mother followed with the laundry and her father brought along the big fishing net. Yes, Mori was a little girl. She having brown eyes. She having brown eyes. Yes, the Mori was a little girl with brown eyes. He having big eyes. How it is? Which color is there? Yes, it is a brown color eyes. Brown color. Yes, she lived with her parents in a beautiful coconut grove. She lived with her parents. Where is he live? She is living coconut grove. Coconut grove means a group of trees. చాలా ఉన్నాయంట. కోకోనట్ ట్రీస్ దగ్గర వాళ్ళు ఉంటున్నారు. She living with her parents next to a small blue lake. Yes, their home is near to lake. Yes, every morning she balanced a big empty basket on her head. Yes, every morning they are going, the girl Mori is going with her parents. She balanced a big empty basket on her head. She is using a big basket on her head. తన తల మీద ఇలాంటి ఒక బుట్ట పెట్టుకొని వెళ్తుందంట. ఓకేనా? As she walked down to the lake, her mother followed with the laundry and her father brought along the big fishing net. Yes, her mother followed. Her mother is keeping that laundry. That means to wash the clothes. She is taking, and her father brought a big fishing net. Big ఫిషింగ్ చేయడానికి ఫిషెస్ కావాలి కదా. అక్కడ ఫిషెస్ చేయడానికి అక్కడ లేక్ దగ్గరికి 3 members వెళ్తున్నారంట అక్కడ. Yes, her mother washed the clothes on a stone next to the lake while her father went fishing. He dragged the net ashore and they collected the fish in a big basket. Dragged. Here dragged means drag. Pull with some difficulty. గట్టిగా ఫిషర్ నెట్ వేసాక అన్ని అందులో చేపలు పడతాయి కదా. సో ఎలా లాగుతున్నట్టు వెరీ ఫోర్స్ఫుల్గా చేయాలంట. Yes, he dragged the net ashore and they collected fishes in a big basket. దొరికిన ఫిషెస్ అన్ని ఎందులో వేశారంట? basket. She balanced that basket, no? Yes, in that basket they kept the fishes. Sometimes a turtle got stuck in the net, but Mori always hurried to the rescue. Yes, in that fishing net, sometimes turtles means toys stuck in the net. So she will care the tortoise, and the tortoise lives in the lake only. She can't take. One sunny morning, while fishing with her father, Mori said, "If we catch too many fish, one day there won't be any left." Her mother laughed at her and sent her off to school. Yes, one day morning, her father is doing fishing. So Mori said to her father, what she's saying? If we catch too many fish, one day there won't be left. మనం డైలీ ఇన్ని ఫిషెస్ని పట్టుకుంటే మనకు తర్వాత ఉండకపోతే ఎలా? అప్పుడు మనం ఎలా ఉంటాం? హౌ కెన్ వి లివ్ వితౌట్ దిస్ ఫిష్? ఇఫ్ వి గాట్ దిస్ ఫిషెస్ we can sold, మనం అమ్ముకుంటాం. ఒకవేళ ఆ రోజు లేకపోతే ఎలా, ఏం చేద్దామని అందంట. Her mother laughed at her and sent her off to school. Yes, her mother, while she's saying like that, her mother is laughing. Their daughter word, తన యొక్క డాటర్ మాటలకు ఏమేం చేసింది? నవ్వుతుందంట. And sent her off to school. So she went to, after sometimes she went to school. In the shade of the trees, the Mori's mother fell into an uneasy sleep. She dreamt of a lake with no fish, while the wind in the palm leaves whispered. Yes. After some time, in the shade of the trees, అంటే ఆ చెట్టు నీడ ఉంటుంది కదా, అక్కడికి the Mori's mother fell into uneasy sleep. Uneasy means worried. Uneasy means what? Worried. The Mori's mother totally worried about that Mori's lines. What she said, if we catch too many fishes, one day there won't be left. How can we do? What can I do? What can we do? Like that. That was totally worrying. So he did not get peaceful sleep. She did not get peace. మనకి ఏదైనా బాధ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం చాలా హ్యాపీగా నిద్రపోగలుగుతామా? లేదు. In the same way, Mori's mother also did not get sleep correctly. So what she's thought, she dreamt of a lake with no fish, while the wind in the palm leaves whispered. Yes. Finally he got one sleep. In that sleep he got one dream. Yes, how it is? One day in that lake there is no fishes, while the wind the palm leaves whispered. Yes, in that lake palm trees are there. The palm trees leaves are talking with themselves. వాటికి అవే మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నట్టు ఆ లేక్ లో ఏ ఫిషెస్ లేనట్టు కల వచ్చిందంట. So what happened? Whispered, very slowly talking. The water and the land have always taken care of your family, but you have to take care of them in return. Yes, this is a very, very good words, Nana. The water and land have always taken care of your family. Yes, they are totally depending. The Mori's family totally depending upon that lake only. Yes, is lake helpful to the parents or not? Yes, it's very helpful. The water and land always take care of us. Is it correct or not, Nana? Water lekunda manam earth land lekunda manam jeevistama untama ikkada? They are always helping us only. But you have to take care. But we have to take care. Why? Because we are always pollute the air, water, everything. So that's why the we can't get a proper air, proper clean water. Yes, we are using chemicals in the water. The air also totally polluted. Yes, by vehicles. So it's not correct. We have to take care of our natural things. We have to take care. మనం వాటిని కూడా జాగ్రత్త పడితేనే మనకి బెనిఫిట్, మనకు అవి ఎంతో హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నాయి కదా. సో అదే చెప్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ. She woke with tears in her eyes, but she did not know how to bring Mori up without selling enough fish. So finally she woke up. She woke up with tears in her eyes. Yes, the dream was very sad, no? So that's why she is crying. She woke up with tears. Tears means ikkada edvanu, kannir antam kada. Yes, tears her eyes. First she did not know how to bring Mori up without selling enough fish. How can we grow our children? If we don't have money, how can grow? How can educate my child? How can get food? How can we live without money? So like that, the mother is so worrying about her daughter future. Afternoon she sat weaving coconut mats and thinking about dreams. Yes, so like that she is worrying about that Mori's dream. What she is doing all afternoon, she sat weaving coconut mats. ఏం చేస్తుందంటే కోకోనట్ లీవ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటితోటి మ్యాట్ని అల్లడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది, కోకోనట్ మ్యాట్స్. అండ్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ హర్ డ్రీమ్, థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్ డ్రీమ్. ఎస్, షీ సో మచ్ వరింగ్ అబౌట్ ద డ్రీమ్. హౌ కెన్ వి లివ్ without this lake, without if we don't know lot of fishes, we can't get money. So how can we live without money? So like that she is totally worried. So what happens? So what Mori decided, we have to see. We will see in the next class. Okay, bye.